Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Meds by Dr. K. Today, we are making detox water. Detox water is a tasty way to help your body feel better and stay hydrated. Let's get started. Here's what you need. Number 1 is water about 1 liter or 4 cups. Number 2 is cucumber 1 medium cucumber, sliced. Number 3 is lemon 1 lemon, sliced. Number 4 is mint leaves, a handful of fresh mint leaves. Number 5 is ginger, a small piece of ginger, sliced or grated. Optional, you can add berries like strawberries or blueberries if you like. Now, let's make our detox water. Step 1. Wash all your ingredients well. Step 2. Take a big jar or pitcher. Step 3. Put the cucumber slices into the jar. Step 4. Add the lemon slices next. Step 5. Now, add the mint leaves. You can gently crush them to get more flavor. Step 6. Add the ginger slices for some spice. Step 7. Pour the water into the jar. Step 8. Stir it gently to mix everything. Step 9. Put it in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight. This helps the flavors mix. Let's talk about the benefits of detox water. Benefit 1. Hydration. It helps keep you hydrated, which is good for your body. Benefit 2. Cleansing. It helps your body get rid of bad stuff. Benefit 3. Weight control. It can help you feel full and stop cravings. Benefit 4. Healthy skin. The ingredients can help your skin look nice. Benefit 5. Boosts energy. Lemon and ginger can give you a little energy boost. And that's it. Your refreshing detox water is ready. It's easy to make and very good for you. You can drink it all day long. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Share your favorite detox water recipes in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.